Says Area Love You by Heart. Pass to begin, rushing a body out. So now is Principe Yalik, paminsan-minsan Grand Homer, Long Nose Sock, Security Rose, Magnolia, Lucky Lorky, Jens Music, Compelled to Lead, Secret of the West, Pagano, and Best Kept Secret is the early trailer. Love You by Heart. Principe Yalik fighting it out for the lead. 4 lengths in third, paminsan-minsan Long Nose Sock in fourth. Grand Homer is racing in fifth. Down in 6, Magnolia. Then comes Lucky Lorky, Pagano, Security Rose, moving up Jens Music. Down on the inside, Secret of the West, Compelled to Lead, and Best Kept Secret. Principe Yalik, Long Nose Sock, rushing a body out. So now is Grand Homer. Grand Homer now takes the lead. Long Nose Sock in second. Principe Yalik is running by Drella. And in fourth, paminsan-minsan. Then comes Love You by Heart with Grand Homer by Abalalenka. Principe Yalik is fighting back down on the inside. Long Nose Sock in third. As they come down at the last 150, we have Principe Yalik. Grand Homer is on the outside. Grand Homer, Principe Yalik, Long Nose Sock in third. Lucky Lorky. We have Grand Homer now, this time by about 4 lengths. And nearing the finish line, it's Grand Homer. Second, Lucky Lorky, Long Nose Sock, Magnolia. Then comes paminsan-minsan, Principe Yalik.
1A ang winner, Grand Homer. Tapos